In September last year, Huawei became the world's first with a 3-layer foldable smartphone, the Mate X-T. The final design was revealed, showing a structure that allows both folding and unfolding. Simply unfold it once to get a traditional foldable device. You can use it as a smartphone, and when unfolded, it becomes much larger than existing foldable phones. The wide display is also very useful, although it's quite wide. Despite its thin and foldable structure, there are concerns about its durability against external shocks, making it challenging to be entirely reliable in terms of longevity. Although the device is exciting, it's disappointing that it was made by Samsung yet a Huawei product. Even if I wanted to buy it, there's no reason for a domestic consumer to choose Huawei over Samsung offerings. Samsung Electronics is preparing for a launch in 2025 with 3 foldable smartphones under the codenames B7, Q7, and another unknown model. The Q7 model could be a special edition of the Galaxy Fold or possibly a more affordable Galaxy Fold Pen edition, but that's not what we're really anticipating. A potential Galaxy G Dual Fold seems plausible. According to domestic media reports, Samsung Electronics is expected to release a foldable smartphone that folds twice next year. Sources indicate that the final design of the Galaxy Multi-Fold will be confirmed later this month, with a launch date set for the end of the year. Unlike Huawei Mate X-T, Samsung's dual folding system will allow both inward and outward folding, offering a distinct form factor. In unfolded mode, it will resemble existing foldable smartphones but can also expand further, providing a larger screen. However, folding it twice may affect the seamless continuity of the display experience. To access the main display, you'll need to unfold it twice, which might require more frequent use compared to Huawei Mate series. One advantage of Samsung's approach is that the foldable display will not be exposed on the outside, increasing durability. At the recent MWC, Samsung Display showcased a prototype called Flex S, which features a similar folding and unfolding mechanism as Huawei Mate X-T. The current Galaxy Fold and Flip series have faced durability issues, so a dual folding design might be a step toward addressing these concerns. Foldable smartphones generally offer wide displays with better usability in terms of size and proportions, though there have been many disappointing aspects. Dual folding models are expected to solve these issues. The size is estimated to be around 9 to 10 inches, which is slightly larger than the Mate X-T. It should be able to handle most tasks seamlessly. Please leave a comment about the Galaxy G Dual Fold. I appreciate your feedback. Thank you, and goodbye.